Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use analog threshold trigger instruction in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our logo soft comfort software, and here when you scroll down you can see there is a analog section. In analog section, that's the analog threshold trigger command you can find. You can drag and drop it also, or you can double click it on this one also. You can choose, and size you can choose as per your requirement, right? And give the command analog threshold trigger. This font size you can change also in the font attributes. I will choose this one 8, and also if you like to choose this font type, this also you can choose any type which you like. You can choose, for example, I choose this one and use as default and click OK. Right now, and visit here, and next you have to be need one input, but not digital. You have to be choose the analog input from the analog section. Drag and drop it here and give the command 0 to 10 volts. Also you can use 4 to 20 milliohms, 0 to 20 milliohms, 0 to 10 volts also you can use. Okay, and this connect to the AX. Okay, and one more, we need the output for testing our command. So this you can give the name pump, for example. Basically this command is specially designed for the pumps. If you are using some submersible pumps, so you can use this command. Very simple and easy method. Submersible pumps line have a one input sensor, called analog sensor. So that's value commonly use 0 to 10 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps. Any you can connect with this uh, block. Okay, and go to the block properties, and here you can see there is a analog settings measurement range. You can set, for example, I put 0 to 100, and here you have to be select the value, how much value after you like to start the pump and how much value after you like to stop the pump. You can set any value. For example, I put it here 50 values. I need when 50 pressure inside the line, my output needs to be on, means my pump needs to be on. And when pressure reaches at the 85 or 80, that's any value you can choose, and I need to be off my pump, and click it OK. Also this offset value you can choose from here 0 to 10 volts in the from 0 to 100, or for example you have to be choose 1 2 3 4. For example, I put this one from 4 to 104. I need to be on and off the value, so click it OK. And download, if you have a physical PLC you can download this program, and if you don't have it you can check by the simulation. For example, first I will show you with the simulation how we can test. Now our simulation is on, and for an example, this is our analog sensor which is giving the value at the 0 to 10 volts. Okay, you can increase from here also. You can see this is the value is increasing now, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as your value reaches at the 50, your output will be on. 45, 46, 49 and 50. You can see as your value reach with the 50 value, after your output will be on. And as this value again reach up to 85, after this will be off. So I will increase the value. You can see this is 65, 70, 75, 76, 80, and you can see this is 82, 83, 84 and 85 when reach the value, after this will be stopped, right? And if you have a physical PLC, it's very simple. You can download this program, go to the tools and go and transfer PC to logo. Click in on PC to logo, check your parameters, your IP address and click on test. Must be choose this proper driver of the PLC. If this driver have a different, maybe your program will be not download, and click it OK. Your program will be download to the PLC. Click yes, and after go to the simulation. Here have a icon online test. This you can click it on this one and again click OK, and your PLC will be monitored by the online mode. And click it on this one icon, and after you can see which is value coming from your field. This is the analog, that's value will be shown here. So I also show you in my camera. I connected my hardware with this PLC. This is my PLC and this one wire is connected with my analog input sensor. Here I will show you, you can see this one. May I zoom? This is my I7 and I8. This is the two analog inputs of this PLC. Okay, and this one volume I connected against the sensor. You can use this volume also if you have a real sensor, 0 to 10 volt or 0 to 20 volts. You can connect this direct. Plus minus you have to be give this to the sensor. You have to give the plus minus 0 to 10 volt or 0 to 20 volt, any 0 to 30 volt. This range you can check by the manufacturer, which will be written upside also the sensor. Okay, and I am using this purpose for the volume, which I am giving this 24 volts to this one, and output of the volume I gives to the analog input. So when I moves this volume, after this will be on of our output. This already I connected when my output of this PLC, this will be shown here. Okay, now our value is shown 17. So I will increase this value. Just I will make this small and I will show you in the, see this value. You can focus on this value. I will move the volume and we can test our logic. This mouse I will make it here. Also here you can see this is the raw value is here coming also in the analog input. 132, 131, this is the raw value coming, and here your real value coming. And as I move this my value, you can see this is the 20, 22, 23, 24, 27. Our this value is coming from the field from our sensor. And as this value reaches at the 50, you can see 51 and our this output is now on. So till then this will be not stop this light, even our value reaches at the 85. So I will increase more value. You can see 52, 55, 56, 60, 70, 75. You can see this is 80, 81, 82, 86. Now as our value is at the 86, and you can see our output is now off, right? This value if varies any and up down, this value our output will be automatically on and off. You can see this is the volume little varies this value, so this will be on. So now our value is now less than 85. It will be, maybe I increased a little more, after it will be, you can see this is off. So this way you can use your pump, and this you can control by this command with the analog sensor and analog value. You can set point makes any set point you can make according to your settings, but in the uh, online mode you cannot change this one. You have to be stop first this one simulation, and after you can make the settings. Go to the block properties again. For example, I need this one with the 40 minimum value, and this 65 I put my 65 my maximum value. Okay, and click it. Okay, and this also you can change. For example, I will put at the from the 0, it will be start from 0, and click OK, and again download to the PLC. This must be any how many times you make changes, you have to be download the program. Click yes. Now click yes again. If you check by the simulation mode, that's no problem, but if you real physical PLC, you have to be download the program. You have to be how many times you have changes made here, you have to be again download the program. After that value will be work. Remember this. As you can see, this is now our value is on time is 40 and off time is 65. Click on this icon and you can see there is our value shown 82 now. So I will again show you in the hardware. Because of our set point is now 65, so I decrease this value. You can see, sorry, increasing this one. I will decrease this value at the 65. You can see this is now less than 65. Its value is 63, so our output is on, right? And more when I decrease this value 60, 53, you can see first we put 50, but now our value is 40. Can see now its value is 39 and our output is goes off. It's very simple and easy method. You can use this block in your program, but when you're using, use with your own logic. Hope guys you will be understand about this logic, how we can use this command analog threshold trigger. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.